Hi, I'm Erin.
And I'm Shane.
Welcome to Meet the Stevens
family.
Hey everybody, I'm going to show you our Coleman camper. It's a 34-foot bunkhouse lantern. We rent this out and I want to show you what all goodies we have inside. So come on in. You come in, you're going right into the living room. We got the basic jackknife couch that comes in a camper. We keep it covered because we like to keep it clean, and that leather, we don't want it ripping. Dinette, pretty much the same thing. It goes down into a bed, the tabletop goes down, cushions go on top. This is a nice sized kitchen, living room area. The kitchen comes fully stocked with everything that you're gonna need. Number one thing everybody needs, a coffee maker. I know I need that every morning. We have a toaster, Tupperware, seasoning, trash bags, you name it, it's in here. But there's still space for your stuff, so don't worry. We got a mixer down in here, silverware, nice size refrigerator, freezer. This is gonna run off of propane or electric, so you can go ahead and stock up before you travel. It'll stay cold while you're driving. You don't have to worry about it. Got the oven, stove, same thing, it's propane. Down here, we're gonna have cleaning supplies, crock pot, serving utensils, knives, all that stuff. Cutting boards, custom made by Shane. TV will run off of cable. It'll run off of the antenna or the DVD player, which is also Bluetooth. The speakers go indoor and outdoor if you're listening to music. Oh, one more thing. We do have dishes up in here. So you do have something to eat with and coffee cups. Kids sippy cups too if you need them. And measuring cup. So let's go into this master bedroom over here. This is our nice bedding. I love this campy, cabiny, outdoorsy look. This is a queen size bed with a 3-inch foam topper. It's very comfortable. We also have a mattress pad cover on top of it to keep it clean because we like to be clean. We have a TV right here that also runs off of the antenna, cable, or it will simultaneously play a video with the front TV on the DVD player. We have cabinets for storage with closet for hanging on each side of the bed. Little nightstands. Let's go ahead and walk back to the kids' room. This is the kids' bedroom. There's bunks on this side with the trundle. The trundle pulls right out onto the floor and you just push it right back under when you're done. It's very cute, cabinet themed as well. We like this stuff. Another bed up here. There's going to be storage underneath. This is a closet for hanging clothing. They have a TV. They can hook up their games or whatever they want to do in here. Ladder, climb up to the top. You go ahead, lift up, pull forward, and goes down. Same thing, lift up and go in. Put it away. But there's cabinets in there, or cubbies in there for shoes and whatever else you need. It's a nice little curtain here. When it's nap time, you go ahead and tell those little kids lay down. You close it and you tell them to be quiet because I could hear you through this curtain, so you better be quiet. And you pull it back. Just make sure you don't get it stuck in the slide out because I don't want to rip it. It's important. Privacy is important. Alright, this cabinet here has more linens, towels, all kinds of good stuff. And another hanging closet if you have clothing you want to put up there. Here's the bathroom. We have this nice spacious rack on the door. You can put all your, hair supplies, things like that that you need in there. Same cabinet theme. We love it. Decent sized tub. It's good for little children. We usually use the campground bathrooms. It's much easier to shower there and everybody going at the same time. But if there isn't that option, you do have a full bathroom, which is nice. Toilet, the lid goes up. for boys, goes up again, okay? And boys, you take toilet paper and you wipe that, throw it in there, and you close that one and that one. And you press the button and it flushes. Alright. You know how to use a sink. There's a cabinet down here. Looks like there's two. Here's a bag to put all your dirty linens in when you're done camping. I appreciate it if you put them in here because we gotta wash them. You got your toilet paper and other supplies down in there. Okay, there's also an exit door, so if any of your kids coming in dirty, you just tell them to come in this door right here and get straight in the shower. Whoop. Almost ran into the door. Alright, let's go outside. I'm going to show you the outdoor kitchen. It's a beautiful day, by the way. Alright, this is the outdoor kitchen. There is no stove out here, but there is a grill. This grill is on a little platform that swings around to the back. We'll show you how to set all this stuff up when you rent it, okay? Just a regular little gas grill. You're gonna find the propane tank for it up in here, okay? There's a sink, which is great. Keep all the food and dirtiness outside. Don't bring it inside. That's what I say. The refrigerator, this only runs on power, so just know that it only runs on power. It doesn't run on propane. But it's also nice to have drinks. That's what we usually put out here. Something that it doesn't matter if it gets warmed up. And the best part of it all, marshmallow sticks. Telescoping. Awesome. There's like 6 of them in there. Don't lose them. Alright. So this beautiful camper, we're going to show you how to use each individual thing in videos. So go ahead and look for those if there's something you're wondering how to use. Alright, I'll see y'all later.